Good day, paint peeps. Welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Brawl Zone, guys. I'm glad you're here. It's a beautiful day here on my lovely island, Hilton Head. And I came down this morning to get a little painting on and to share it with you. We are working with some yummy colors. I'm going to try a little new thing today. I've done a couple of swipes lately that have kind of my paints layered in a cup, and then I ripple them in certain areas across my canvas, and then I give them a swipe. So I thought to myself, well, let's do that kind of all over the place and maybe do a partial swipe on it. So we're just playing. We're trying out some new little things here. Let's talk about what we got going on. This is a 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas that I bought on sale from Michael's, which I'm sure most of you grabbed what you could on that 70% off sale. I wait and get excited every year about that. Our base coat today is going to be Artist Loft Black, and that will be mixed with my pouring medium, which today is 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800, which is my fave, my absolute fave. Our colors are delicious. I'm excited about all of these earth tones in this pretty little cup right here. Oh boy, is that nice. That is FolkArt Treasure Gold, and that is the gold ore. And as always, guys, there's a little description box over here in the right corner, a little drop down arrow. If you hit that, it'll give you more information. It'll list the colors, the music I'm listening to, my pouring medium, and how you can get a hold of me if you have any questions, thoughts, or if you want to see me try and do something. My email address is cozcreationsart@gmail.com. So say hello, guys. Stop in. Send me some notes. Tell me your thoughts. I love reading them. This yummy, yummy cup right here is Treasure Gold, and this is the green gold or the Vert. This very, very nice color. Oh, it's almost like a mauve red with a coppery gold in it. It just like shifts the color as you stir that paint. That is Treasure Gold Fire Opal. Pretty, pretty paints, these Treasure Golds, guys. Now, I know they're a little expensive. I tend to buy them when I have my 40% off coupon, but this bottle goes a long way. It's about 1 ounce of paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. So this will last me through quite a bit of good size canvases. This is a fun color right here. Like I said, we're getting our earth tones on. This is a mix of Decoart Metallics, Rich Expresso, and I mixed that up with the last of my Alchemy Metallics Hazelnut. These are nice paints, guys. They're so creamy, they're so rich. I just wish they'd put them in a bigger bottle because I go through them so quickly. So we've got about 1 ounce of this and probably a tablespoon or so of this mixed with my pouring medium. 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800. These paints are relatively fluid, so I did not have to add any water to them. This is my base coat color. This is my Artist Loft Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep this canvas, take care of all that boring stuff for you, and then we're gonna get busy. Thanks for joining me, guys. Always glad when you do.
cry.